Hey folks, Eugene here, and the Forensic Photography Symposium is just around the corner, January 19th to 22nd, 2026. I have Olli Huttunen here, and he's going to be talking about Gaussian splatting, which is something we haven't discussed before. So Olli, thank you so much for your time, and give us a preview of what you're going to be talking about.
Okay, so greetings from Finland. I am an entrepreneur and 3D specialist, and I have been researching this 3D GS technology quite a long time right now. And even though it's very young technology, it is probably the most exciting recent development in 3D graphics field. In my presentation, I will show how different locations can be scanned and how these 3D Gaussian splatting models can be generated, even with these consumer level tools such as mobile phones, drones, or 360 cameras. The focus will be very practical. I aim to talk about workflows, currently available apps and scanning devices, and how these new models can be processed locally and securely on your own computer. So I hope my presentation is going to be useful and inspiring, and I'm looking forward to sharing how this technology can support modern forensic documentation.
Excellent. Yeah, it's a new technology, and the photorealism that you get from Gaussian splatting is amazing. So, folks, if you want to see or learn about Gaussian splatting, make sure to get onto that symposium. Also, check out Olli's YouTube channel when you get a chance. He's got a ton of information there. So, click the register button below, and we'll see you there soon. Thanks, Olli.
Bye-bye.